Welcome to this tutorial on how to create timesheets. Timesheets are very important while working on a project as it will help you to record how many hours you spent on a particular project or how many hours you spent working on a particular task. So timesheets are very important when you attend meetings, when you work on tasks. It's very important to go to the system and log in your timesheets. It will also contribute to calculating your payroll. So timesheets are very important. So there are two ways to record your timesheet. You can either come under the task that you've been working on. For instance, you've been working on a task under Human Resources Department. So click on the project. It will bring you into where you can see various tasks. Let's say you've been working on creating a night shift. So you can come under this task by clicking on it, and then it will bring you to this environment. You've been working on creating night shift, so come to timesheets, click on add a line. When you click on add a line, it will bring your name out automatically. Then you come to description and you put in the description of what you've done. You can say I worked on creating time sheets on time sheet. Then you come to the hours spent and log in how many hours you spent on the task. Let's say you spent 5 hours working on the task. So after doing that, you come to this place and click on save manually. Then it will save whatever you've been working on. If you do not want to use this method, you can come to the timesheet app by clicking on this icon and come to the timesheet app. Then it will bring you to this environment, my timesheets. Click on new. Then it will bring out the dates automatically. Then you put in the project that you've been working on. Let's say human resources. Human resources is already a project there, so you click on human resources and then you click on the task, the particular task that you worked on in human resources. Then you come to the description and put in your description. Let's say I worked on creating night shift. You fill in the description here and you log in how many hours you spent working on that particular task. So when you are done working on it, let's say human resources create night shifts works, then come here and fill in how many hours you spent, and then you click on save and your timesheet will be saved. So that is how to create night shifts on this system.